Hey, what's up, everybody? Stephen A. Williams, President, founder of the creditrepairshop.com. I wanted to make this video here. Get a lot of requests where people are asking me about these uh, credit cards that are out. Like all of these different companies have them out there, and they're making it available for people with bad credit, credit cards with moderate credit, credit cards with excellent credit. But for most of the people on this channel, they're looking at can they get qualified for credit cards that have for bad credit. And the one thing that I see that is in common with all of these different cards, and this one here is with Patel, is that they market that they will get people approved or have a higher percentage of people who have less than perfect credit, bad credit, so to speak, will get approved. So we can see here with this one, this is through WebBank and it's Visa card. And this one here is Pedal too. They had another one that they introduced it when they first came out. This is their number two card, and it says here 1 to 1.5% cash back. I really do truly believe in cash back. Like I know I'm gonna get a 1099 from my American Express where I probably got in cash back over the last year about 13 to $14,000. Yes, that's how much I spend on my American Express. And so this can be valuable. If you can get a few dollars back on money that you're already spending and you're doing the right thing with your card, cash back is a good opportunity. I do fully believe in that. There was a point in time where I didn't really care about cashback cards and stuff because I felt that it made you spend money that you wasn't gonna spend. But I really believe in it if it's gonna be on things that you're gonna already spend money on. This could be an excellent tool that you can use to leverage to make to be able to get money back from money that you're already spending. They have their credit limits from $500 to $10,000, and I'm pretty sure that this is based on the credit history. But we're going to talk about that they offer this thing called a soft pull. A lot of these companies are doing a soft pull, so it doesn't hurt your credit, just to see if you meet the bare minimum qualifications to get approved, and then they do a hard pull if you accept the offer. And the APRs are 12.99 to 26.99, and there's no fees. Um, the one thing that they want people with this card to understand is that the Pedal 2 is designed to help you build your credit. So this card is actually designed for people that have less than perfect credit that want to build a credit, but also want to have access to credit. So it has here with the cash back, it just explains with the cash back uh, where you get the 1% to the 1.5% and 2% to 10% bonus cash back at selected merchants. And you can click there to see more details on that. All of them seem to be pushing the grow your credit score because you're going to have the available credit. And if you're paying your payments and keeping that balance at about a 25 to 30% max, that's going to help increase your credit scores because they're going to see that you're not using all your available credit. And then they always have these budgeting uh, tools that they're going to put in there to help you keep yourself up to date so you don't overspend. And then you can freeze your card at every time to protect your account. So we got here where they're doing some comparisons on some of the cards. They're always going to pick cards that don't compare with theirs, but you can see here with a card that is similar with the Quicksilver rewards. I believe Quicksilver is that Capital One. I think it is. That their credit limits $300. They're saying that they're going to go higher with theirs, and then with the Discover cashback one that they usually offer $500. So yeah, that Capital One Discover, you're saying that this information is comparable with what's on the Credit Karma website where they're making a bunch of credit card offers. Let's see here. See which pedal card is right for you without impacting your credit score. All you have to do is click the button here and you'll be able to see it. It says by submitting a pre-approval request, you grant your permission to be your you grant your permission to be evaluated for the multiple pedal cards. So they're gonna uh, see which ones you qualify for, and then you'll be able to make your choice on which one you want to get. Pre-approval does not guarantee your account approval, and you must submit a full application for review after you apply for any of the offers. So basically, what they're doing is they're letting you know if hey, you have a good chance of being approved if everything is right about what you're saying. But they're doing a soft pull also. The credit reporting agencies have given them access to be able to do a soft pull without impacting your credit scores, without putting that inquiry on your credit reports or just seeing if you qualify. Basically, what they're doing is they used to mail out these offers to people. That was considered a soft pull, and then you would have to go and either call in or uh, type in an application online, and that would make the hard pull. So uh, this is seems to be a pretty good offer. If it's something that you might be interested in, it's Patel, uh, and it's their cashback rewards card using Visa, and it's through Web Bank. Web Bank is who's going to be the issuer of the card. So I hope this was some good information. I'm going to be making more on these different ones. There seems to be a ton of them that's out there. I just heard on when I was listening to CNBC this morning that one of the major banks is going to be buying one of those buy now, pay later companies. So a lot of companies are getting into this business. A lot of banks are getting into this business. So if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different. Watch my 8-point validation system and my two-phase settlement process. That's the way that we repair credit. If you need your credit reports and scores so you can know what's on there, if you want to even attempt to go after one of these cards, it's good to know what's on your credit report. It's good to know what your scores are. Go get your credit reports from my website, your number 3scores.com. If you have debt collectors coming after you, I also have my free debt collectors letter, the cease desist collection activities letter, statute of limitations letter, and the debt validation letter. Links to those and other services that we offer are below this video. Thank you for your time. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you like this video. Make sure that you post your comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. Thank you.